What's up, guys? Welcome back. I got some headphones for you. Let's try these guys out. So these guys, I got them from Prime Day for 33 bucks. Amazon Prime Day, if you guys didn't know, is a 1 day or a day and a half of sales. And unfortunately, the first couple of hours are down thanks to the servers burning up and crashing. Anyways, so yeah, I got these guys. Again, they were on sale, 33 bucks. These are Bluedio? I don't know. It's powerful sound, supposedly 4th generation superior version. It's a turbine. Now for the back says it's a Bluetooth version 4.2. It has 57mm drivers. A standby time of 650 hours, supposedly, and Bluetooth music talk time under ANC up to 16 hours. So output power is 25 milliwatt, per speaker, so it's about 50 milliwatts per both speakers. It has a rotatable design, active noise canceling, remote call, and a rechargeable battery. It tells you all the stuff, has a microphone, LED indicator, all that good stuff. Has a nice little sticker here. It makes it look very legit. I don't know how legit these are though. We're gonna check these out. Alright, so let's open them up. Again, the only reason I got these is because my headphones, the right side, and actually my left side, are completely ruined. I stretched them out, and yeah, they broke. So nice box design, I'm gonna say. All right. Looks decent, very decent. Nice cover on there. Wow, this, you know what, guys? This doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really nice. They twist these out. Has like plastic covers over the speaker there. If you guys can see, that's pretty legitly shiny there. Well, we're gonna see how well they sound. That's what's important, right? The sound. I mean, who cares about the style as long as they sound good? And these feature a USB-C connection. Be aware of that, guys. USB-C connection, okay? Mic in. I don't know if these are charged already. Oh, okay. So yeah, they are a little bit charged. See the LED light turn on. All right, let's put these to the side. Let's see what else comes in here. And inside we have a happy, not happy sticker. So in here we got the manual, nice big fat manual with all kinds of languages on here. All right, so let's get this out of the way and let's get to the headphones. So now let's get my phone. Let's try to find these babies. Bluedio T. All right, I guess I can play these YouTube soundtracks. So let's check out how they sound. And that's as close as to the microphone as possible. So guys, these sound decent. They're not overpowering. I am gonna say I wish they were a little bit louder, but see if I can. That's all I'm gonna play, because or else I'm gonna get copyright strike here. So again, guys, these are the Bluedio headphones. If you guys like them, go ahead and buy some. These were on Amazon Prime Day, 33 bucks. They're about 54 regular price. Yeah, pretty legit. I wish they were a little bit louder, but it is what it is, and they sound good. And they come with all these accessories, so you can hook up to your phone or your MacBook or whatever. Carrying case. Go get yourself ones if you guys need headphones. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.